This demo shows how Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing helps process manufacturers manage production processes to deliver consistent, high-quality products with the enhanced recipe management capability. Marie is a process engineer for a consumer packaged goods food and beverage company that makes energy bar products. She selects the classic energy bar to preview the updated recipe. Marie sees the product, formula, and batch quantity for making it. The minimum and maximum batch quantities indicate the relative batch size that serves as the basis for selecting the appropriate recipe when creating a batch. Moving to the ingredients, she can see how both ingredients are consumed in the bake operation. In the Formula Ingredients view, she can view additional details such as a new or replaced ingredient based on the selected item revision. Next, Marie previews the digital work instructions associated with the bake operation. There are 2 steps to guide an operator through the die cutting of the dough and baking in the oven. She looks at the second step to verify the baking instructions and temperature settings. In the Parameters tab, Marie verifies the operational parameter for the oven temperature is set to 300 Fahrenheit for the bake operation. This information is critical for guiding the proper production settings so that the actual values can be captured during batch execution for traceability purposes. With Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing, process engineers like Marie can ensure accurate formulas and recipes flow through to batch management, supporting efficient batch creation, release, and execution.